Hi everyone, today I will feed Itachi the baby with chicken. You can see, this is chicken. Let's go see if you want to eat the chicken. Okay, Itachi, try to feed this with this. Like, whoa, you just blow it one time. Let's go and see again. Open up. Yum 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 yum. Okay. Let's break one more. He's very hungry. He's very hungry. In the morning. One more. Ah. Ah. Yeah. One more. Okay. Another one here. Ah. Oh. Ah. One more. Okay, and put some water here. Ah. Put some water here. Now let's try to feed with another food. The protein kitten food. The kitten food I also will give some. See here, it's a kitten food I have to give because of the protein. Ah, touch it. Ah, nice. Because this got a lot of vitamins for kittens. It's also good for the crows and the wild birds. Ah, because we don't have natural foods here in town, and it's difficult to find worms. The perfect food for him is worms. Ah. Alright, that's why I have to put this kitten food. I asked ChatGPT about this. I'm not inventing, I'm not a biologist. I use ChatGPT to feed the bird. So what I ask you to do is to subscribe to my channel and follow his growth.